PamelaWorld. Today we'll be learning how to use the chopsticks, and I have my friend here with me. Her name is Kurashiki, but I'll leave her to introduce herself.
Okay, so hi guys, my name is Jenny Kurokawa. So yeah, today she asked us how to use chopsticks. I hope as a Japanese, I can tell you very well.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. Thank you. To begin with, could you please tell us the different kinds of chopsticks we have?
Okay, so which one first? This one. We have two types of sticks, the longer one and the shorter one. For the longer one is used for cooking. Yeah, because you know that it's very short. If we use fire, it's gonna be hot my house, yeah, right? That's why we use the longer one for cooking. But for eat is too long, so we use the shorter one to eat. Yes.
Okay. So next, we want to learn how to hold it. How do we hold these chopsticks for eating? Because most of us will go to a restaurant to be invited for a sushi date, and want to know how do we hold this?
Yes. So and also I think it's very important how to using the chopsticks the correct way, because as the many Japanese things it's kind of manner. Yeah. If we can use the chopsticks correctly, it's very good thing if you are in Japan. Yes. And also we learn from parents. It's not something learned from school.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Your parents teach you at home?
Yeah. Like before going school. Yeah. So okay. So there's two sticks.
Yes.
But it's kind of like holding a pen.
A pen?
Yeah.
We have different ways of holding pen. Some hold like this, others hold like this.
Yeah. Let's say correct way. This is I think the correct way to hold a pen.
Okay. Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then put the other one. Your middle finger is between two sticks.
This. Okay.
Yes. And then we need to move. I think
it's
this
the
is
movement.
Difficult part.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, but where we should move is only one finger.
Oh, okay.
The ring finger is
okay.
You should not move.
Okay.
Then just you move this middle finger.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah. You should not move this one.
Okay. Can this one move?
This one is automatically move because you move the middle finger.
Okay.
So indicates finger is automatically move with following the middle.
So you move it like this. I got it. Did I get it? Please tell me I got it.
Is it the same?
No, it's not the same. I see. No.
Can you make noise with this?
No.
Maybe you should put more inside of this middle finger, I think. Like the first, how can I say this?
This one?
The middle finger, yes. Maybe you should put more inside.
More inside, like this?
Yeah, I think you like this way. That's why it's different. So maybe you put your middle finger is more inside.
Okay.
Then maybe it's easier to move.
Inside.
No.
I'm trying.
Yeah, we trained since we are small.
I see. Okay, so it's the middle finger that automatically moves. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I know.
We should train. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi. How do we pick up the sushi with the chopsticks, and also please tell how to eat sushi with wasabi. This is wasabi. This is radish, a type of green radish, and this is shoyu, sauce, sushi sauce, soy sauce for sushi. So how do we combine the wasabi, the shoyu, and the sushi?
So I make here.
Okay.
The firstly, this shoyu is the same one, the same shoyu for everything.
Okay.
There is no specified. But sometimes there is soy sauce for sushi.
Okay.
But usually we use
The same.
no soy sauce.
Okay. Yes, you can put it here.
Then wasabi.
Hi. Tell us a little about wasabi.
Wasabi is the green radish, is the spicy, but it's not like a chili. It comes to the nose
And the eyes.
Yeah,
and your
eyes.
head. It hits you so hard.
It makes you cry.
So free tip is, if you are new to wasabi, just take a little. Don't take so much from the beginning.
No. And then this is also gives you some taste, but wasabi has the antibacteria. That's why we eat with raw fish.
Ah, okay. So because the fish is raw, to prevent let's say any bacteria from going into your system.
We say so, yeah.
I'm still holding my chopsticks because I don't want to lose it.
Yes.
Okay. With sushi, do you take the fish off and put it inside?
I think it depends on the person, but we say like we put soy sauce, not rice. We put soy sauce to the fish.
Really?
Because if we put the soy sauce to rice, it's gonna be separated. It's easier to be separated. So okay, like a small one to melting inside the soy sauce.
Okay.
Then put the soy sauce to the mainly to the fish part.
Okay.
And the eating.
Wow. You know, when I'm eating sushi, I just put everything in my mouth at once because I don't know how to hold it and bite the middle.
But it's fine. The both ways okay.
Okay, let me try. Then this is not firm enough. You pick it up.
Bravo.
Please show us one more time.
One more time so I have more pieces. Yeah. I think your way is very nice.
Really? She's good, guys. Like, she's able to divide this thing into two and eat. I can't do that, so I just pick what I can put in my mouth. That's all. And this is sushi roll.
Yeah, we call maki.
Maki. Okay. Tsukutaku to garimasu.
Wow, boy.
Hi. So you guys remember how to make sushi? Let's make sushi together. And this is sushi from the sushi roll video. So we are going to learn how to eat that too with chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
We still have a lot of this more. We need to finish it.
But there is not so much difference between the different types of sushi how to use with chopsticks.
Chopsticks, okay.
But everything is inside in this maki, so just you hold it and eat it.
Okay.
And this one, there is the taste, mayonnaise taste.
Okay.
Right? So it depends on you. If you want to put the soy sauce, it's okay, but it's already taste, so no need to put soy sauce. I think.
I see. That's nice.
Okay. So hold this one and
that. How do you guys do that? My God. Guys, I don't know what to do. Can I do it? Let's try it. Child, Zembo ilimasu.
Yes. I eat second.
If you can do it at once, you should do that so you don't have to take it in bits. But if you can't and you know you like smaller portions, you could try hairs. In fact, I'm gonna try hairs and see. I hope it works for me, honestly. If it doesn't work for me,
But it's difficult to cut off this seaweed, I think. After all. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there is no rule if it should be eat one time, 2 times. There is no rule, so.
It has seaweed, it has rice, lettuce, tuna.
Tuna there is? Yeah.
Mayonnaise.
What do you call it? No, it's kanikama. We call
Kanikama?
it. It's made by fish.
Fish. I see. Oh, this is it. It looks like imitation crab.
Yeah, that's right. That's why we call
got
it
it.
Kani.
Kanikama. Ah, soka. I see. I know imitation crab when I see it. Okay, she's gonna try it the last time alone because it takes me so long to finish one bite. Please go ahead.
One bite because this squid is small.
Okay. She did it. I think you guys will want to know how to eat the cucumber with the eggs and the sushi wrap. You know, it's quite beautiful to the eye. Could you see? Yeah, so she's gonna try that.
You can eat it.
Yeah.
No.
So she's gonna eat the egg with the cucumber. It has egg, cucumber,
The
rice.
ikura? Rice, yeah.
This is
We call this one is ikura.
ikura.
It's the egg of, I forget the from which fish.
Salmon, Japan.
Maybe, yeah, salmon. Yeah.
Salmon eggs.
Salmon egg, yes.
Oh my god. Hi.
I think it's better to eat one bite, I think.
Of this one. Okay.
Then eat it.
You can find this wasabi. Usually comes with a sauce. Okay, because sushi goes with this all the time. But I think for this one, you can eat it without the wasabi and sauce because it's a whole complete meal. But this will definitely need wasabi. She said the wasabi has antibacterial properties, so it goes with the raw fish. So don't forget that. I hope you guys learned something new because seriously, this was my main lesson for the day. I got it. Oh, thank you, Tayo. Wow. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see Kurokawa-chan on my next video, please comment in the comment section.
Thank
Bye.
You. Bye.